turns out that the Beast of Brandikar was actually just a guy in a gorilla suit. And he's pressing he tried to press charges anyway. And after a tough legal battle and some healthcare fees and bribing a local judge, we're now in the clear. However, Matt's extreme nature is now cancelled, so we need to find you another job. So, well, anybody got any ideas for a new job, new show?
How about a cooking show?
Shut up, Stanley.
How about a cooking show?
Brilliant.
Cooking show.
Fucking said that.
I'm sorry. Do you get paid? Do you get paid to work here? No, you don't. Shut up. You're an intern. Nobody cares. All right, cooking show it is. Let's see. What do we got? Cooking show. Cooking show. Cooking show. We have cooking with Jeff. He needs a new assistant.
This is Matt, and this is Jean-Pierre with Jeff's Cooking.
Alright, well, name is Matt Addington. Look forward to cooking with you, trying to get famous. But,
Run through your eye.
long story. Fight with a gorilla turned out to actually be a guy in a gorilla suit.
I'm sorry, I have Parkinson's.
Alright, well, let's get cooking. Alright, you guys, he's gonna be cameraman again. I'll leave you guys to it. I'm gonna go get something to eat. Right here. All right, it's gonna be a pleasure working with you again there. Yeah.
We.
You okay?
Yeah.
Is it okay?
Cooking with Jeff, take one.
Welcome to Cooking with Jeff. Today I have a new assistant. His name's Matt.
Hey.
We're cooking blueberry muffins. We're not really cooking with bacon, but
Bacon blueberry muffins. All right, the first thing you need is some measuring cups, a few bowls,
Yeah.
sugar,
Mm-hmm.
flour.
Right. You guys at home know this stuff already.
All right. All right. So the first thing you do is you get 2 cups of flour, and I just eyeball it, Just 2 cups, Okay. I put some artificial in there. I put some baking powder in there. I will mix in the flour. After adding the rest in the flour, you want to kind of just mix it around a little bit, and it's kind of hard mixing this stuff with one eye, But after 1/4 cup of milk, and yeah, kind of just eyeball it just a little bit. Add that in. And you need 1 egg. And then you got the, just do a little trick, A little bit of a trick there. And, right in there. But, hang on. Make sure you don't get any shell in there, Just right in there. I forgot to preheat the oven, but 400 degrees for around 2 or 3 minutes preheats it. Just clean this up real quick. Yeah, preheats the oven. And
I'm gonna go out to the real quick. Go on.
all right, we've got the oven preheated. And, you take your muffin tray and you just slip it on in there. Put it in for around 10 minutes, 10, 11 minutes, Then you gotta check and make sure they're a little bit golden brown, and then they're delicious. All right. Since time has passed, our muffins appear to be done. We're gonna take them out and we're going to enjoy them. You know, just I just
Grab me one. Hey, you famous yet? Hey, get.